KBD 2000 adopts metal cover and rubber button to make you feel delicate when using. Featured with LED display and key tone. It supports network on Wave, Viscard, and Zero Viscard, Palco DP protocol, and also be compatible with other brand cameras. Powered over Internet, and one cable is enough for both control and supplying power. Multiple interfaces like RJ45, RJ422, RJ485, RJ232. Up to 250 sets of cameras can be controlled through it. Four-dimension joystick can adjust cameras in direction, zoom in out, and lock. KBD 2000 is a truly PTZ camera controller.